Hi everyone, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to make yellow peas. The ingredients are split yellow peas, sodium bicarbonate, peanut butter, salt, and shea butter, also called moya. So we are just going to wash the yellow peas quickly with cold water. Okay, we have just put our yellow peas to start cooking, and I'm going to add hot water to quicken up the cooking process. Now we just leave it to cook at least for the first 30 minutes. Hi guys, just to let you know that you should be aware that yellow peas tend to boil like when the fire is on full. So even when you put it to boil, you need to keep watching so that you can reduce. Like this one, I have to reduce the fire. It can cause a lot of mess. And later on also when we add the sodium bicarbonate, it can even boil over more. But you see now it's cooking, so we can keep it on low heat so it doesn't boil over. So our yellow peas has been boiling for the last 30 minutes. I can feel it beginning to kind of stick at the bottom. So now we are going to add the sodium bicarbonate. You must always keep checking, mixing, because it tends to stick at the bottom as well. And one thing that you need to know is whenever you add the sodium bicarbonate, it bubbles up. So be careful. Reduce the fire when it's bubbling too much. Don't mix now, because if you keep on mixing, it will just boil over. Now I'm going to leave it to keep cooking for probably another 30 minutes. I have to keep checking from time to time to make sure that it doesn't start burning at the bottom or sticking at the bottom. Because when you burn it at the bottom, then you are ruining your yellow peas. So keep on checking, and maybe after every 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah guys, our yellow peas is getting ready, but you know you have to keep mixing to break, to break the those lumpy bits. You have to keep mixing. Keep mixing until it becomes all smooth. You give it a bit more time, probably another 20 minutes. Okay, the yellow peas is ready now. So we're going to add our salt. It's done now. Mix. Then we just add the peanut butter. It's ready, and if it is too thick, if you don't like it too thick, you can always add a bit of water. So I'm just going to serve. Properly done. There you go. Our yellow peas is ready. You can either eat it just like that, with sweet potatoes, with maize meal, with millet bread, or with cassava, or whatever you choose. And also there are people in Acholi, people actually love to eat their yellow peas with shea butter. Moya, we call it moya. Yellow peas in Acholi, we call it also Dek Ngor Lapena, and this is moya. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Share also with others, give us comments. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.